Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate fonts and licensing in Adobe Fonts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Sign in with your Adobe ID. Navigate to the Fonts tab within the Creative Cloud interface. Click on Browse Fonts to access Adobe Fonts. Use the search bar or explore categories to find the font you wish to use. Once you select a font, review its details for licensing information. Check if the font is marked as free for personal use or commercial use. Click on the font to view the specific licensing terms provided. If you're working on a project that requires commercial use, ensure the font permits this. To add a font to your collection, click the Activate button. Wait for the confirmation that the font has been activated successfully. Now, open your preferred Adobe application, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. In your design project, navigate to the Font Selection menu. Search for the activated font in the list. Select the font and apply it to your text as needed. If you're unsure about any font's licensing, revisit the Adobe Fonts Details page. Document your font choices, including licensing details, for future reference. Regularly check Adobe Fonts for updates or changes in licensing. This will ensure you always remain compliant with font usage terms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.